Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about how to install Material UI in React project. So first of all we are going to create a React app, then we are going to install this library. So let's get started. So first of all let me create a new app. So we are going to just go this one with the folder HTML. So I'm going to create an open the terminal. Okay, so here I'm going to add my Material UI. So this is the basic pack. This is a basic layout that is gonna be formed. This is done. Go to CD, Material UI. Okay. Then we have to run npm start, right? So for this, it will open the default React page. Okay. So here we are going to install with the npm package. So here we have Material UI. We need to install this, copy this, and add this in a folder. Npm install Material UI. So this is done. So npm start. So no issues there. So we have already get it started with installing the module. So what it say, Material UI design is using emotion is styling the engine by default. If you want to use it, then style components. Then we need to use install Material UI material style engine as the style components. So install this one also. Okay. So take a look at style engine. Then we have these are the font icons that you can use, or you can use npm install material icons material. So we need to use the material icons also. We need to install all the things so that we can use this later on, right? So this is all the installation part is done, right? So that's it for now. We will learn the next phase about the components. Okay, so this is the installation guide. Let's move to the next move to the next part. In the next part we will going to discuss about the components. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.